up guys, it's me Ruth and this is how I do it solo. So for today's video, you can see that I'm a little pale because we are going to add some color into our face because we are going to be reviewing the newest Colourette Color Tint Vault. It includes 20 color tints, 20 shades. So I'm going to be swatching all 20 shades of these. I don't know if I can do it. Ang daming colors, ang daming magaganda. Okay, so when you open it, you'll see all the tints inside, different colors. Recently, Colourette has rebranded and sobrang chic. And look, parang very retro yung kanilang logo here at the front, and like the color, I like it so much. It's so handy. Inside, you also get some stickers. Look. Diba? It's so cute. It's so 90s. I love it. Let's just start with the swatches. So there are two variants. The one is the matte one. It is the original and classic formula. And then there's a new variant, which is the fresh, which is more of a lightweight color, but it also has the staying power of the matte. Let's start with the matte. There are 10 shades in the matte variant. Review first the matte shades. I'm going to choose one from their newest shades. This one is called Live. What I like about the new packaging is that it shows the color of the tint inside and it's super chic. It reminds me of 3CE, the Korean brand, but inside it still looks the same. Pero diba how I wish everything would be in this shade? That would be so cute. So I'm going to try this one first. I'm going to apply it on my lips and cheeks and eyes. And I'm going to be sharing with you my kind of tips on how I apply this. This one is oil. It has really bold pigmentation, so I use it just the tiniest bit. Ever since wala pang naubos na color tint. Like ever. Wala pa talaga kasi onti lang yung nilalagay ko sa lips ko. So what I do is I apply first on the middle part of my lips. I'm going to apply it with my inner lips and you can already see the pigment in there. It gets a little bit on my teeth. That's okay. Okay, so one time lang ako naglagay. One time lang ako kumuha and then I'm on my second one. So at first, it has that little bit glossy. And then I will just let it dry while I apply it on my cheeks. Now, my technique for the cheeks is just use a little bit first and then just add along the way. I like to use my fingers. Sometimes I also like using a sponge. I'm really liking this color. Peachy, pinkish. I like it a lot, but I'm going to do my other cheek. Don't be scared if ganyan yung mangyari sa mukha niyo. Just blend it. And if you feel like you cannot blend it anymore, just use a sponge or a brush, I guess. Then add a bit more. So this is kind of blendable and you can add more and more if you want to be darker. And it kind of finishes as a powder and you really can feel that it's there. You just really going to use it on my eyes naman. What I do is I apply it here. And I'll get it dry a little bit. And you can use your fingers, but I'm going to use a brush and I'm going to blend it. How you do monochrome makeup, and it's really easy because you only need one product and just put it on the lips, on the cheeks, and the eyes. It dries really quickly and it's really matte now. There's no more sheen or shine to it. I think this is perfect for cool days. Do you like this color? Now I'm going to be showing you all the other shade swatches of the matte on my lips. So those are all the matte shades. Now, I feel like the 3 new shades, I feel like these are my favorites. Actually, Kaya is so beautiful. And I feel, I don't know, but I feel like this 3 feels more like a lip cream than a lip tint. It feels more creamier and thicker than the other shades. I had a hard time applying Dion and Andre and Evie, the orange shades. I felt like I had a hard time applying this 3 more than the new 3, but I feel like those other shades works better for the cheeks, and for the Andre, actually you can use as kind of a contour shade. Actually, I'm going to try and show you how. This is Andre. It's kind of a brown shade kasi, so let's try to use it as a contour. If you're into that bronze look, island girl look, you can use Andre. See, it really looks good as a contour for my shade. So those were all the matte shades. It dries down really matte and it's really long lasting, guys. Like, look at my eyes now, it's super dry and it doesn't smudge. The cheek is still there, the cheek color is still there. After all those swatching, it's still there. And the thing is, it's buildable, so you can add more if you like to make it more pigmented. Okay, now we're done with the matte shades. I'm going to try out the fresh shades, the 10 fresh shades. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to try out one color and I'm going to apply it on my lips, cheek, and eyes. So I will be right back. So I'm back. I concealed everything. I removed the previous color that I have on my eyes and my cheeks and my lip. Now I only have foundation, concealer, brows, and my lashes from the Colourtints lash lift. So if you want to check out how I achieve these eyelashes, check out my other video, which is called the Colourtints lash lift. Okay, now we're going to try out the fresh shades. I'm going to try first a shade called Kira. This is one of the favorites. This is a bright red shade. Now I'm going to apply it on my lips. It's a little bit watery than the other shades, but I assure you this one has pigment. I'm going to apply this on my cheeks as well. See how pigmented it is. sometimes it is better to apply it if you haven't powdered your face first. It will be really hard to apply. And once you place it on your cheek, you must blend it ASAP or it will dry and you won't be able to blend it out. This is perfect if you're on the go, you know, if you're that lazy kind of girl like me. You can just use one product for the lip, cheek, and the eyes, which is super in trend right now, the monochrome, which is wearing the same shade or same color from head to toe. We've seen it with Rihanna for her Fenty Beauty makeup. She has purple eyes on, purple lips, purple highlight, and the purple dress. She also has a look that it's all yellow, so it is really in trend right now. You let it dry a little bit, so it will finish into a powdery finish, and that's when you blend it out. Okay, so that's what you do because it does finish kind of velvety. And just look how beautiful that is. I love it so much. When it's not that fully dried, it feels as a velvet lip cream. Okay, so I think I will blend that. You can also use your fingers to blend. You can really use this as a beautiful base. You can use the Colourtint as a beautiful base for your eyeshadow look or for your color point, you know, the accent in your eyes. I'm just using a plain eyeshadow brush. I think synthetic or natural will work for this. And that's what it looks like. It looks very chic. And it looks like I made effort with my face, but I only used one product. And I just blend it. And this is what Kira looks like. How do you like it? I feel like this will be a really strong look if I'm wearing something red. You know, that would be a really cool look. So those are all the fresh shades. I think I'm liking the fresh variant more. I feel like it's easier to apply and it's more sheer. I love it. Actually, I love both. My favorite from the sheer one must be Kira. And my favorite from the matte one, I guess, will be Kaya. So each color tint retails for only $249 and it will last you a very long time because as you can see, you will only use just a little bit of the bottle. I promise you. Yeah, I guess that's it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what else do you want me to try, what makeup looks or any beauty advice you want. Just ask them on the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you will get notified when there's a new video. Yes, I guess that's it. I might give away some of these. So make sure you comment down below and I'll just message you guys who will win. Maybe I'm giving away 5 or 10 or 20. I don't know. Just comment down below and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!